Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a full face of Fenty Beauty. So I was thinking, what brand do I have that I could do a full face makeup look with? And as I'm on YouTube right now, Fenty is hot. I mean, she's always been hot, the brand. But she's hot right now with the new cheek blushes, which I did not get. I wish I got them, and I don't have. But I figured I have majority of her stuff that I can do a full face, so that's what I did. You'll see in this video that majority of the stuff, minus the eyebrows, lashes, eyeliner, and mascara, is all Fenty. Base, my concealer, my lips, my eyeshadow, my highlight, everything is Fenty. So if you guys want to see how I accomplish this boss ass, sleek hair, red lip look, then keep on watching. First, we are starting with moisturizer. I'm going in with the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is heaven sent. That's all I'm going to say. It's heaven sent. Now I'm taking the Fenty primer, the original primer, and I'm putting that all over my face. This is my absolute favorite primer of all time. Yes, girl. For foundation, for the first time, I'm going in with the shade 440. When I first applied it, I thought it was a little too dark, but it actually ends up being the perfect shade. And you'll see throughout this clip, I smell the foundation a lot because the foundation kind of smells like cinnamon. And I was very confused. I was like, wait, is that me or is that the foundation? But, I mean, it wasn't a bad smell. It smelled like cinnamon. As you can see, it actually blended out pretty well. I'm impressed. I actually really like this foundation. I give it a thumbs up for sure. For concealers, I'm going in with 380 and I'm taking this just around my eye area. I'm actually trying out a new technique. And then for my lower half to cover up my mustache, I'm taking the shade in 390. I'm using the Fenty powder in Cashew, and I'm lightly going over where I place my concealer to set it. I freaking love this powder. It's so finely milled. It's amazing. And look at that. My eyebrows are on and done. Since I actually don't have any Fenty eyeshadow, I'm actually going in with the highlighter duo in Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge, and I'm applying both shades to my eyes. Now I'm going in and using these same shades and I'm going to highlight. Look at this highlight though. I don't know why I don't use her enough. I gotta start because she is gorge. So for eyeliner, I'm going in with Hank & Henry's eyeliner in black. It's like a felt tip eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner. It's pigmented and it stays all day. It dries quickly. And yeah, so I'm going to do a wing liner and pray that they match up, which, you know, they don't. You can see one's going up, one's going straight out. I don't know what it is about wing liner. It's like my eyebrows. One always looks good, and then the other side looks a mess. Setting spray, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter. That is such an oldie, but it's truly a goodie. And my lashes are on. Nice. For lipstick, I couldn't decide which one I wanted to go with. I don't know. I was feeling a red lip, so I went with the red, even though it didn't match my shirt. That's me talking myself into it. So I said, fuck it. I'm gonna do red because I'm a boss bitch. And red is a boss ass bitch color. Here is the final look. So I think I did pretty well for not having all of the Fenty products. Since I didn't have eyeshadow, like I mentioned, I used the highlight, which I kind of like it for just kind of like a kind of shimmery, glossy eyeshadow look. Nothing too fancy. Mainly the beat is the face. As first applying the foundation, I was kind of iffy. I was like, this is a little dark. But if you look at it, I feel like it matches so well with my skin. The highlight is definitely on point. I do not have any of her blushes that are cream blushes, but I really do want to get them. I was actually on the website yesterday and I was like, all right, let me just wait till I get everything I can get as far as like the eyeshadow, the lip liner, the other primer that I wanted to try out, and I also want to get the blushes. But as I was adding stuff to my cart, it was well over $100 and I was like, I already spent so much. As you guys will see in my previous video, which is my haul, I spent a lot of money during quarantine. So I backed out of the website and I decided, you know what, I'm just going to film the video and use the products that I have in my stash. So I had majority of the products. Like I said, I had the lipstick, the highlight, the foundation, the concealer, powder, primer. The only things I did use in the video that is not Fenty is my eyebrows, the lashes, mascara, and the eyeliner. Everything else, oh, and the setting spray. Everything else was full on Fenty Beauty. I like this look. It's very simple. It's simple, but it's beat at the same time. It's a boss bitch ass makeup look, and I am feeling it. So if you guys enjoy this video and want to see more of full face tutorials, I guess, because I was going to do ColourPop, but I decided, you know what, now I'm going to do Fenty. I'm going to show my girl Rihanna some love. If you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs this video up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.